Welcome to this new series on AI hardware. In today's digital world, artificial intelligence is everywhere, powering self-driving cars, healthcare, finance, and even the apps we use daily. But behind the software lies the true engine, specialized hardware designed to handle massive computations at lightning speed. AI hardware refers to the processors and chips that accelerate AI tasks, such as training large models and running inference in real time. Unlike traditional CPUs, AI hardware is built for parallel processing, allowing machines to learn and make decisions faster than ever before. At its core, AI hardware processes vast amounts of data through billions of mathematical operations per second. These operations, like matrix multiplications, are the building blocks of deep learning. Different hardware types such as GPUs, TPUs, NPUs, and FPGAs are optimized for different workloads. Choosing the right AI hardware can make or break a project. From balancing speed and energy efficiency to scaling in massive data centers, AI hardware is shaping the pace of innovation worldwide. Some of the world's biggest tech companies are racing to dominate AI hardware. Nvidia leads with GPUs. Google created the TPU. AMD and Intel are pushing innovation, while Microsoft and AWS build massive AI cloud infrastructures. New players like Groq and Cerebras systems are redefining the future with groundbreaking designs. In this series, we'll explore each type of AI hardware, its working principles, strengths, limitations, and the companies behind them. By the end, you'll understand how these technologies are powering the AI revolution. Let's begin our journey into AI hardware,